Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both your phone and your PC for a screen link. Use one USB cable or connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. On the phone, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging in settings. On the PC, confirm you have Windows 10 or Windows 11 and enough storage for apps. Download the linking app you plan to use, like SCRCPY, your phone, or a Miracast client. Keep both batteries above 20% to avoid interruptions during setup. First, install SCRCPY and the Android ADB tools on your Windows PC. Connect the phone with one USB cable and permit USB debugging when prompted on the phone. Open a command prompt and confirm ADB sees the device with a DB devices. Then launch SCRCPY from the same folder to mirror the screen immediately. For smoother performance, run SCRCPY with flags such as B8MM1024 to set bitrate and max size. Close SCRCPY when finished and revoke debugging if you no longer need it. To mirror wirelessly, prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for lower latency and stable throughput. Use Microsoft Your Phone or Miracast on Windows or Samsung Flow for supported phones, and follow each app pairing process. For SCRCPY wireless, first connect by USB, run a DB TCP/IP 5555, then disconnect and a DB connect device IP 5555. If wireless linking fails, check Windows firewall and router settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.